Hi everyone, we're going to find the value of x that makes n here the incenter of the triangle. We're using the concurrency of angle bisectors of a triangle theorem, and basically what that says is if these lines here are triangle bisectors of the angles, so bisecting B, C, and A, and they intersect at a point that is equal distance from the sides. So these would be right angles here. So let's get started with the first one, and we're going to be using Pythagorean triples. So in geometry, a lot of times they use Pythagorean triples, so you don't have to always use the Pythagorean theorem if you know your triples. So we need to find x here, and I have this triangle here. I know that these are my angle bisectors, so I also know that these sides are congruent. So what I'm going to do is look at this triangle right here. And I have 15, and I have 25. Now if I divide these by 3, I get 5, and, or by 3, let's divide by 5, sorry. If you divide by 5, you're going to get 3 and 5. And that should tell you that this is a Pythagorean triple. So 3, 4, 5 is a Pythagorean triple. If you multiply this by 5, you're going to get 15, 20, and then 25. So we didn't use the Pythagorean theorem because we knew our triples. And then this side has to be 20, so this side has to be 20. So what we're going to do is take 5x equals has to be 20. Therefore, if you divide both sides by 5, x equals 4. All right, and we're going to do the same thing with the next one. Here's your angle bisectors. It's bisecting A, B, and C. And then, so these sides are congruent. So I have a little right triangle here, and I have a 10, and the 26 is the hypotenuse. And let's divide this by 2, and you get 5 and 13. I'll do that in red. 5 and 13. If you know your triples, you know that 5, 12, 13 is a Pythagorean triple. It's an essential one. So basically, you're just dividing this by 2 to get another Pythagorean triple. So this value is going to be 24. So this length here is 24. And these two sides are congruent. So all we have to do to solve for x is set 2x equals 24. Divide both sides by 2, so you get x equals 12. And I just want to go over some triples again. Your Pythagorean triples that you need to know are 3, 4, 5, 5, 12, 13, 7, 24, 25, 8, 15, 17, and sometimes 9, 40, and 41. There's a lot more, but these are the ones they're always going to keep giving to you, but they're going to, in this case, double it up. All right? And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.